Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. In this video, we will discuss about how 2D array are present in memory. Here we are declaring int AR of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So array of arrays is 2D arrays. Here number of rows is 3. So the memory is allocated for total how many elements? So 12 elements. Continuous memory is allocated. So first one is AR of 0. This one is error of 0. This one is error of 1, error of 2. This is the number of rows. So error of 0, error of 1, error of 2. Here I am taking base address is 500. So what is error of 1? Error of 1 is 508. 508. Next address is plus 8. 516. 516. So in array of arrays, in array of 0 is one dimensional array. In array of 0 we have total how many columns? 4 columns. So this can be divided into, this is the first element, second element, third element, and then fourth. Similarly array of 1 is also divided into first element 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 2. Next 2 0 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 3. Here I am writing the indexes 0 1 2 2 3. Zero 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3. Similarly 1 0, this element is 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3. Similarly this element is 2 0 2 1 2 2 2 3. So what is the error of 0? Error of, what is the error? Error is base address of an array. Base address is 500. So what is error of 0? This one is error of 0. This one is error of 2. This one is error of 1. So what is error of 0? Error of 0 is 500. So what is error of 1? Error of 1 is 508. So error of 2 value is 516. So what is error plus 1 means? Error is pointing to this address, base address of an array. Whenever we are incrementing one value, error is pointing to this value, this array, error of 1. That means this value is equal to 508. So whenever I am adding error plus 2 means this value is, we are adding plus 2 means this is plus 1 is pointing to this location, plus 2 means pointing to this location. This value is 516. So what is error of 0? Error of 0 is 500. Here I am adding error of 0 plus 1 means we are adding one value to this array. That means this one is pointing to this address. That means this value is 502. So this address is 502. So error of 0 plus 2 means 504, 506. Error 0 plus 1 means 504. Error of 0 plus 2 means 506. Error of 0 plus 3 means plus 1 means 502, plus 2 means 504, plus 3 means 506, plus 4 means 508. Indirectly this is this value is 10. Next, error of 1 means error of 1. This value is equal to 508. Error of 1 plus 1 means this one is pointing to next location, 5, 10. So please remember this is the integer pointer. Whenever we are incrementing one value, this is pointing to next address. The next address is this one. Next address is this one. Whenever we incrementing plus 2, this is pointing to this address. Whenever we are incrementing plus 3, it is pointing to this address. So this value is 510, this value is 512, 514, 516. Next, error of 2 is error of 2 value is equal to 516. So error of 2 plus 1 means pointing to next address, 518. This address 518, 520, 522. So the continuous memory is allocated. So in memory how they are present, this is the error is the single array. In this single array how many arrays? First array, second array, third array. In memory it is showing This is for within the array, single dimensional array, single dimensional array, single dimensional array. In each single dimensional array, 4 garbage values, 1 2 3 4, some garbage values. So 1 2 3 4, some garbage values, 1 2 3 4, some garbage values. So this is 2D arrays present in memory. Okay.